And welcome everyone to Learn a Trade. My name is Kevin Tate. Glad to be here with you all today. The name of today's broadcast is How to Select a TXV for a Particular Application. For those of you who may not be aware, TXV is short for Thermal Expansion Valve. In order to make an accurate TXV selection, it's necessary to match the flow rate in tons of the TXV to the tonnage rating of the evaporator coil. The following procedures that I'm about to go through are the procedures that are commonly recommended in most publications that you will find out there. First, you want to determine the system refrigerant. Then you want to determine tonnage rating of the evaporator coil at the operating temperature. Next, determine liquid refrigerant temperature at the TXV inlet. Next, calculate the pressure drop across the TXV by subtracting suction, low side pressure, from condensing, high side pressure. Also subtract pressure drop from a distributor if one is used. The difference is pressure drop across the TXV. Next, you want to find the proper extended capacity table in the catalog that you may be using. Now, this means if you're using a catalog online or in a manual that you may have, you want to find the proper extended capacity table in that catalog for the correct refrigerant at the proper evaporator temperature. Then locate the closest pressure drop column and find the nearest flow rate in tons to the evaporator tonnage. Then go to the left to select the nominal tonnage rated valve. That's going to be the valve that you're going to select. You may have to recalculate the flow rate in tons using the liquid correction factor table if the actual liquid temperature is different from 100 degrees Fahrenheit used as the standard rating point. And that concludes this service technician tip. I thank you all for watching. Please take care and stay well.